Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install pipeline stages in Pipedrive for consistent deals. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install pipeline stages in Pipedrive for consistent deals, begin by logging into your Pipedrive account. Once logged in, navigate to the top menu and click on the settings icon. In the settings menu, locate the pipeline option from the left sidebar. Click on pipeline to view your existing pipelines. If you want to create a new pipeline, look for the Add Pipeline button and click on it. A prompt will appear, allowing you to name your new pipeline. Choose a name that clearly represents the sales process you have in mind. After naming your pipeline, it's time to add stages. Click on the Add Stage button within the new pipeline setup. Enter a name for your first stage that reflects a key point in your sales process. You can also define the probability of closing in this stage if desired. Repeat the process to add additional stages as needed for your sales process. To reorder stages, simply drag and drop them in the desired sequence. Once you've finalized your stages, click the Save button to store your changes. Your new pipeline with stages is now created and ready for use. To ensure consistency, it's beneficial to standardize the naming and order of stages across teams. Train your team on the new pipeline stages to promote uniformity in deal tracking. Regularly review and update your stages as your sales process evolves. With these steps, you can effectively install pipeline stages in Pipedrive for consistent deals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.